Welcome to the string function part 2 video. In this function we will see some of the most important functions of string, in which we are going to start with index of. Now index of function takes input of a character and return its index location in the string. It is just opposite of caret. In caret we used to pass the character at particular index location, like we used to pass the integer value in the caret, the index location, and it returns the character from that particular index location. Here we pass the character and we extract its index location where it is present in the string. So we will see here that index of returns the index of first occurrence of the character in the string. This is very important to understand. Like in the string, suppose one character is occurring more than once. So it will return the first occurrence of the character. Let us see this example. String str equals to occurrence. And if we write int pos equals to str.index of r, then we see that the r value is at the index location 4. We see here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 2 r where the first r is occurring at the index location 4. That's why the pos will have the value of 4. The next type of index of is index of char ch int start index. This index of allows you to extract the index location of a particular character, providing its starting value. When we say a starting value, it means that from where you want to start the extraction. So the function allows user to search for the inputted character index location, where the search for character will not start with 0 index value but from the given index value passed as parameter. So we see here that string str equals to occurrence. We again see the string occurrence. Int pos equals to str.index of c, 4. It means we want to find out the location of c, index location of c, starting with 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So from 4, that is from r, we want to find out now where the c is coming. If we would have used only index of c, then it will return 1. That is the first time where the c is occurring. But index of char ch int start index allows you to search for the character after the particular index location. So here we are searching after 4. So we are going to search 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from here it will search 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will return 8. That at 8th index location C is occurring. Let us go with the note. If the character whose index location or the value you are searching for in the string is not present in the string, then the function will return -1. Suppose we are searching for A and A is not present in the string. It will return -1. Or suppose we are searching for C, but after the string length, suppose the string length is till 9, 10 and we are written here 11 or 12, it will return -1. So this index of is a very important function. Now there is one more type of index of, that is last index of. Now last index of, this function is used to find the index of the last occurrence of the character in the string. The last occurrence of the character in the string means where the particular character is occurring for the last time in the string, and for that we make use of last index of. Let us see the example. String str equals to occurrence, where int pause equals to str dot last index of r. Now last time where the r has occurred. Now there are two occurrences of the r. Let us see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the last time where the r is present is at the index location 5. So pause will have the value of 5. The another very important function of the string is substring. The substring function is used to extract the middle of the string or a part of the string from the given string. So this function returns the number of characters from the string including the white space. Thus, we can say that if it is used to extract a set of character from the given index location till the end of the string. So, we see that if we use a substring int start index of, that start index of, this is the parameter we have to pass here, that at from which location you want to extract the character. If it is passing the any index location, then substring will extract from that index location till the end of the string including the white spaces also. Let us see the example. String str equals to computer application. There are two words in it, and we are going to extract string str1 equals to str dot substring 5. It means from 5th index location till the end of the string we are extracting. So we see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are starting with 5 and till the end. So the answer will be ter gap application. Let us see another example. String str equals to occurrence. Int pause equals to str dot index of r. Suppose a question is that from the occurrence you extract the character from the r till the end. So you don't know where the r is occurring. In this case, we need to find out first its index value, because substring accepts the index value, not the string. That's why we are required to make use of index of first. The question is just given to explain that the functions of the string are working with each other in order to provide the values to each other. So with the index of, we first find out the index location of the r, which is stored in pause. And then we make use of substring function by writing string str1 equals to str dot substring pause. And from the pause, which is holding the value of index location of r, that is substring will extract the string from the given string, and the answer is RRENCE. RRENCE. So this is one of the type of substring. Substring has also another type, which is substring int start index comma int last index. Now this function is used to extract the set of characters from the given range. Given range means from start to end. Normally substrings start index value and end till the last. But in this substring function, we can provide a range. Like from 5 to 10 we want to extract. Suppose the length or the index location is 15, 0 to 15, and we want to extract the characters which are ranging between 5 to 10. So for that we make use of substring function, where we provide the start index value and the last index value. So normally substring function extract the string usually from the given index position to end of string, but this substring do not extract till the last but till the end of the index value given. Let us see the example. String str equals to computer application, and when we are writing string str1 str dot substring 5 comma 12, it will extract 0 1 2 3 4 5 from 5 till 6 7 8 9 10 11. It will extract till 11 only. This is very important to understand. Substring function 5 comma 12 means it will start extracting from 5 and end at 11th position only, 11th index location, one less than the given last index value. So it is written, it will start extracting the string from 5th index location and end not on 12th but on 11th index location. Thus, it is very important to understand that it extracts one character less than at any end point. So the answer will be str equals to ter gap app. ter, a white space, is also extracted, app. So I am repeating again, substring function, in that if the starting index location and the last index location is given, then it will start extracting from the starting index location and will stop one before the given index location. So it will start extract from 5 to 11. Always remember, one less is extracted. So if it is given 12, it will be 11th position, it will stop. Let us see one more example here. String str equals to technology used. If we write string str1 equals to str dot substring 0, then it will return technology used. It means from 0 to till the end it is extracted. If we see string str2 equals to str dot substring 0 comma 10, then from the 0th location till the 9th index location it will extract. So we see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So till the 9th index location it will extract, and the answer of str2 is technology. The another string function that we'll see is equals. Now boolean equals string equals function is used to compare two strings are equal or not. So for string comparison, whether the strings are equal or not, we make use of function equals. Now it compares two strings maintaining its case sensitivity. It means it treats uppercase characters or uppercase string and lowercase string as two different strings. Now suppose apple and apple. Apple written in uppercase and apple written in lowercase. Both will be treated as two different cases. So it returns true if strings are same, else it returns false. It means it returns a boolean data type character. So let us see one example. We know that if it is anything in boolean, we make use in condition checking. So string str equals to computer and string str1 equals to computer. This is in uppercase and this one is lowercase. So if str dot equals str1, And if it is returning true, it will print strings are equal, and else the strings are unequal. In this case, it will print strings are unequal. We make use of this equal function in palindrome checking or after reversing the string to check whether it is same or not. So for those we make use of equals. Now it is very important to understand. Equal function returns true when both the strings have same length and same order of character, and the cases are also same. It means equal function checks the equality between the string based on their length, order of character and the case. If the lengths are different, it will return false. If order of the characters are also different, like computer and computer, but the spellings are different, it will return false. And if the case, uppercase and lowercase, they are indifferent, then also it will return false. So equal function compares the two string maintaining its length, order of character and case sensitivity. The another function that is in equals is equals ignore case. Equals ignore case, this function works in the same way as equal function, but it ignores the case sensitivity of the character. That is, it treats uppercase string or character and lowercase string or character as same. Thus, it will return true for apple and apple. Apple A in capital, here A in small, but in both the cases it will return true. If we use equals in this case, it will return false. Let us see one example. String str equals to madam and str1 equals to madam. The first one is in uppercase, whereas the second one where the first character is in uppercase and remaining in lowercase. In this condition, when we check for the equality using equals ignore case, it will return true and it will print strings are same or equal. So when we check in programming, we used to write like this: if str dot equals ignore case str1, then it will print the strings are same. If it returns false, then it will print the strings are unequal. Let us see another example. String str equals to computer and string str1 equals to application. So when we check boolean result equals to str dot equals ignore case str1, it will return false as computer and application are two different strings. For comparison between the string, we make use of equals. But there is one more function which is used for the comparison between the string, and the function is compare to. So we will see the compare to function, which also is used to do the comparison between the string. Equals function compares the string and returns the value in true and false, whereas compare to function returns the value in integer. This is a very important function and we need to understand the difference between equals to and compare to, or equals or compare to. This function is also used to check the equality between the two strings. It also compares the two strings maintaining the uppercase and lowercase differently, like in equals. But the comparison are based on the order of the corresponding characters of the string, but not on the basis of the length of the string or the order of the string. If it works like searching a word in a dictionary, that is, in dictionary we go character by character. if we search for C, then we search for O. If we are searching for computer, then we search for M, then we search for P. So like that, dictionary searching is done. That's why it is termed as lexicographic analysis or lexicological searching. If the ASCII code of the corresponding characters are the same throughout the string, then both the strings are declared to be same, else different. This means that whichever the two words which we are comparing, the characters are compared with their ASCII values. If it first compares the first character of the string, if found same, then it compares the second character of the string. If found different, then it will stop comparison and declare that it is an unequal string. If found same, then it will compare the third one, then fourth one. Like that, it will compare each character of both the strings. It is important to note, it also checks whether the string is bigger or smaller than the other, not lengthwise but according to their ASCII values. So it is very important what value it returns. The compare to function returns 0 if both the strings are same. It returns any positive value, that is greater than 0, if first string is bigger than the second string. And it returns a negative value if the second string is bigger than first string, like string 1 compared to string 2. So if string 2 is bigger than string 1, then it will return a negative value. It is very important to understand compared to, because it is asked in the exam, state the difference between equals to and compared to. So let us see the example of compared to. String x equals to computer and string y equals to science. So if we see int n equals to x dot compared to y, then it will return the n value as minus 15. How? As C's ASCII value is 67 and S ASCII value is 82. My first string is computer and the second string is science. So y is bigger than x. It means second string is bigger than the first string. So it will return a negative value, and the difference between 67 and 82 is minus 15. That's why it will return minus 15. Such type of questions will come in your exam to find out the compared to values. The next function of the compared to, where it ignores the case sensitivity, is compared to ignore case. Now this function works same as compared to, but only the case sensitivity is ignored. Like we can see string s1 equals to box, where string s2 equals to box in small case. So it will return 0, as both the string it will say that it is same. The next of the string function is ends with and starts with. So boolean ends with string s. This function is used to check whether the given function has a specific suffix or not. Suffix means where it is ending last. It returns the value true or false because it is of boolean type. So string str equals to, this is a computer with a dot. If str dot ends with dot, if we check, then if it function returns true, we are converting the entire string to uppercase and we are printing. If the function returns false, then we are converting the entire string to lowercase and we are printing. In this case, it will check whether the string is ending with dot or not. such type of question like enter a string and check whether the string terminates with dot explanation in question mark, we make use of ends with function. So if str dot ends with dot, it is returning true. The function to uppercase will convert the entire string to uppercase and it will print. Else it will convert to lowercase. The next of the string, which is the last function of the string, is start with. Like ends with, we are checking whether it is ending with the particular string or not. Here we check whether it is starting with the particular string or not. So it returns true if the string is prefixed to the given string, that is starts with the same string, otherwise it returns false. So string s equals to I am learning. Here we are going to check whether it is starting with I or not. So string p equals to I. So boolean result equals to s dot starts with p. In this case it will return true. Suppose we don't know what is the first character, the string is inputted by the user during runtime. So in this case we make use of caret function and we extract the 0th location character, and then we can compare with start with, and then we can say whether it is starting with I or not and whether it will return true or false. So these are all the functions of the string which we make use of in doing this string programming. Thank you.